Today I will talk about science and ethics. In my presentation I will focus on the different important points and themes in the different articles about this subject. The first article is the Robot Chronicles by Isaac Asimov. In this article, Asimov shows us what a robot is and defining a robot, and then later what a robot is capable of. He gives us two different examples. The first one is by a person called Rabbi Lowe, where he created a golem or a monster that could help him do different tasks. Then later we read about another example. It's the Frankenstein monster created by a mad scientist. And what Isaac Asimov is trying to tell us is that there are just some things that people and humans are not meant to know. And that is about the robots and what they're capable of. Because robots contains both positive possibilities but also negative consequences. The positive possibilities could be that it could help do a task easier, but the negative consequences could be that it might overtake someone. And that the theme in this article is that robots have a huge potential, both in negative and also a negative consequences, but also positive possibilities. And that we humans should be aware of the different robot's potential that the robot has in the future. The second article illustrates the ethics and the problem about science and ethics, because in this article it talks about killer robot. A killer robot is a robot that is armed with bombs that could be remotely controlled by a police officer and then kill a terrorist that has a bomb vest or another threat. The problem with these robots is that they might kill some innocent people, and that is the reason why a lot of people in the community is afraid of these robots, because what if it goes wrong, and what if this police officer kills an innocent people? And we also see an example of this in San Francisco, where a police officer on duty killed and manslaughtered a lot of people. So that's why a lot of people are afraid, and the fact that maybe it goes wrong and the robot kills a lot of innocent people instead of the potential threat. The last one and the third one is about CRISPR and the upcoming evolution in prevention of diseases by the observer. In this article, it emphasizes the science and ethics problem, because CRISPR is when a person edits a human DNA. And this article is trying to illustrate this problem, science and ethics, because sometimes this CRISPR goes wrong, and it could maybe in the future, if it's tried on humans, pass on these problems to another generation and eliminate and kill them. And we also see an example of this in 2018, where a Chinese scientist tried this CRISPR on 3 girls, and what he was trying to do was to edit their DNA so that they were resistant to HIV. And this is a good idea, but it's also kind of wrong, because we don't know enough about CRISPR so that we need to try it on humans. It's the same when if Novo Nordisk tried a unfinished developed medicine, and instead of trying it on animals, tried it on humans before it would even test it and sure it will work. And the theme in this is also human genome, and that there are both positive possibilities but also negative consequences of this. About the human genome, that what if we kill, is it okay to kill a lot of people so that our science and this CRISPR gets better?